System errors causing the Libwireshark Library DLL crashes in Wireshark. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the gap and automate the repair. To begin our Libwireshark library troubleshooting, choose between the manual path or a resource for standardized maintenance. This is the Libwireshark library, the Wireshark Packet Dissection library. It manages the unmanaged localized parsing and decoding of hundreds of network protocols. It facilitates the data link between raw packet captures and human-readable protocol manifests. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. Libwireshark acts as a vital connection for Wireshark operations, and downloading a fresh installer for the program, showing the error is the only way to repair the damaged binaries found in the app folder. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing Libwireshark library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. A restart won't fix broken performance counters, so we'll use step 3 to force a rebuild of those links. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance counters often fail due to registry hive inconsistencies. By wiping and rebuilding these entries, we ensure the system can properly recognize and load the diagnostic library again. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Please exercise caution when encountering sites offering free downloads of Libwireshark Library DLL, as these files are frequently optimized for the wrong architecture and can introduce persistent threats into your sensitive system directories. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. To review professional system maintenance concepts, the diagnostic kit below includes Libwireshark library documentation. I'm Sophie Chen. If this guide resolved the DLL error preventing Libwireshark library from launching, please subscribe for more verified engineering fixes.